Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name's James and today we're doing a monthly running session, and today's theme will be LBSCR engines. So I've got my K class here with a rake of, well actually it's LSWR coaches because I haven't got any LBSCR coaches, and I've got my E1 here with some Mortal ones because I still haven't got any LBSCR coaches at the moment. So yeah, that's going to be the theme for today. But yeah, we've pretty much got all the scenery work pretty much done. There's still a few bits which I can probably do here and there, but otherwise that's pretty much it all done. So yeah, after this I'll be working on the points and stuff like that. Oh, one thing which I have mentioned, which I should mention, is that the signals are now wired into the mains, so I don't have to worry about batteries for that, so they will be running as per normal. But I still need to get these lights wired in as well. I've got the vague idea of how to do it, but yeah, I have to make sure I be very careful with the electrics. Anyway, on to the running session. So I think I've got my K class first. Here we go. Make sure it's off, happy on its way. There we go. Right, and I think you're on 3. No, you're not. 2? Oh, 4. There we go. And there goes the E1. Maybe give it a little bit more speed. There we go. And yeah, they seem happy enough. Just going to double check there. It's the only bit I'm nervous about because I can't actually see anything from down here. But here comes the K class now, and there's the E1 behind me. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope you enjoyed the running session. If you do want to see something in particular, feel free to comment down below for what to see for next time. Well, I'm probably going to do SCCR engines or something like that, or LSWR. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you all again next time. So if you did like the video, feel free to like, comment and subscribe. And if you don't like the video, well, I hope to see you all again next time. So yeah, hope you enjoy, and yeah, take care now. Bye bye.